Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT 2 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to simply open the recents, and we can do it using two different ways depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set. So if you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here. But if you've got the buttons, then you will have to tap on the three bars button, I believe this is the icon, on which will be on the recents, or the square icon, but probably three bars icon, whatever. So let's enter the recents. So let me swipe my finger, and as you can see here we've got all previously opened apps, and if you want to, you can close only one of it, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you'd like to close all of them, so for example if you've got a lot of apps opened and you don't have time to just swipe them manually, just upon close all. And as you can see, we just got back to the homepage, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent tasks, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your REALME GT 2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.